Hello, this is Bob Robert, and what I've got for you today is I'm doing a review on a woodworking project program that will teach you how to launch your own woodworking business and claims that you can make $90,000 to $150,000 a year. As I'm reading this off, again, my name is Bob Robert, and I'm not Jim, the creator of this product. So when I say I or me, it's not me, it's him. So basically, if you want an easy to start business that does not require you to fork out an arm and a leg for expensive machinery or tools, if you want a business that allows you to work from home and gives you more quality time with your family, if you want something that you can do in your spare time that does not interfere with your regular job, if you want a business that you can grow and become a full-time thing if you choose to do so, if you want a business that you enjoy doing and that would actually be fun, if you want an opportunity that would provide a lot of income quickly and easily with the skills that you already have. So you will be getting a very detailed guide that shows you step by step how to make money selling wooden furniture and other wood projects. There's no waiting around, you'll be making money fast. Get plans and blueprints for popular projects. You don't need to be an expert woodworker to create profitable crafts. You can also have unlimited one-on-one email coaching with Jim. Be guided every step of the way from day one to your first sale. How to start up the business for under $100. The common misconception is that you have to have a large garage or lots of expensive power tools to get started. Okay, the Jim that I'm referring to is Jim Morgan. He's a home-based woodworking business owner and enthusiast, and about 20 years ago, he started his own woodworking business, and in his very first year, he was making over $100,000 a year. And basically, what this is his step-by-step plan showing you exactly how he did this and how you can do it also. If you want to make money with your woodworking skills but don't know how to get started, if you're just starting out with basic woodworking tools and you've no idea what to build to start making money, or if you already have a woodworking business and you're looking to take your business to the next level, if you want to turn your skills into profits and have fun with easy to build wood projects at the same time, or if you're simply looking for a way to make some extra income, then you can accomplish all these things with Wood Profits. How to start and run a successful woodworking business from home. You will get the full guide with accompanying audio that will take you from where you are currently to owning a thriving home-based woodworking business in your spare time. I've put together a great guide from my year's experience that shows you everything I know about starting, running, and growing a great woodworking business out of your home. Also included in this program is a free bonus. You'll get 500 plus of my top selling woodworking craft and furniture plans. If you order Wood Profits right now, I will give you my top 500 personal wooden crafts and small furniture plans. This alone is valued at over $125. You may be concerned that you won't know what kinds of projects to produce or how to produce them, but don't worry, I've got you covered. You'll never run out of projects to build. For a very limited time, I'm prepared to give you over 100 of my wood plans to make sure that you never run out of projects to sell. And here's the really cool part. Most of these plans are my top sellers and they take less than 1 hour to build. So if you order Wood Profits now and you don't make a single penny within 60 days of starting up, then contact me for a full refund. This is my 60-day love it or shove it money back guarantee. Again, this includes everything you need to get started. You'll get hundreds of pages of pure, no fluff, step-by-step complete how-to instructions plus one-on-one email coaching. You'll be equipped with my knowledge for you to follow and start a successful home-based woodworking business. It also comes in a downloadable book plus MP3 audio. You will also have the option of the hard copy CD for you to listen to anywhere. Also, you get my free bonus, my 500 of my top best-selling plans, so you don't run out of ideas or projects to sell. I reserve the right to end this discount price and the bonus at any time. If you want this deal, you have to order it right now. Remember, you are protected by my 100% money back policy. If you are not satisfied for any reason within 60 days, I guarantee I will refund each and every penny that you have paid. Woodprofits.com was created by Jim Morgan right here in the United States. Um, what I'm going to do is include a link right below this video. So if you want this program with all the bonuses and the one-on-one email coaching, just simply click the link below this video and it'll take you to the page where you can order it. Most of the things that were on in this presentation were off the page, the Wood Profits home page. So again, just click the link below the video and it'll take you right to the site. Thanks for listening.